स्वेनेव वाक्येन बुद्धिं मोहयसीव मे तदेकं वद निश्चित्य येन श्रेयोऽहमाप्नुयाम्। शरीरयात्रापि च तेन प्रसिद्धेत् अकर्मणः। शरीरयात्रापि च तेन प्रसिद्धेत् अकर्मणः। प्रसिद्धेदकर्मणः धनं कुतुं तदिगिणतुं।
ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. It was a wonderful presentation, very creative presentation of Bhagavad Gita. And at the end, the selection of the bhajan is also very good. And seeing you doing yogasana, it was a very, very inspiring. And you are really blessed by Pujya Swamiji's grace in so many ways. And that grace is getting expressed through all your activities. And I am very happy that you have taken up this project of Gita Natyam, presenting the theme of Bhagavad Gita through dance. I wish you all the best in your project. You will do well and you will be able to complete the project.
Govinda